back to my channel. So today guys, we are going to do a product review and we are going to review the 100% virgin coconut oil Shea moisture line. If you've watched a couple of my videos back a few weeks back, you noticed that I use that line to do a wash day routine, and since then I've used it twice already. In the leave-in, I've used it, I say, about 6 times. In the shampoo and conditioner, I've used them twice. So guys, I'm going to do a full review for you of what I think of the product, the way it worked, and how it felt on my hair. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing I want to review is the shampoo and conditioner. So we're going to start out with the shampoo. Using the shampoo is great. I love how creamy it is. The texture is almost like coconut milk that you washing your hair with. So I love that. I've used coconut milk in my hair before and I absolutely love it. I like how clean it got my hair. It's very light and soft actually to use, so you don't feel any buildup. You get a fresh, clean scalp, and it is nourishing, not crazy moisturizing, but you feel your hair has been washed but not stripped. So I do like that about the shampoo itself. And you don't need too much shampoo. The shampoo's about right here and I've used it twice. You guys know I use quite a bit of shampoo in my hair when I use them, so don't have to use a lot of shampoo when you try this product. Overall, I think it would do great for any hair type. My hair gets pretty dry nowadays, so I have to find products that are pretty moisturizing even though I need to wash my hair like any shampoo I use. So get an A+ in that area. Doesn't dry out my hair, doesn't strip it. So if you are looking for moisturizing shampoo, I would say go with this one. It does a great job at cleansing your hair and keeping it moisturized, and you don't feel that your natural oils have been stripped. So my hair is not the oiliest hair in the world, so it's pretty dry most days. That's why I have to keep adding product, guys. So I love the fact that it doesn't strip the little bit of natural oil that I do have in my hair. Now moving on to the conditioner. The conditioner itself, it's not bad. It's not super hydrating. You guys can see this a lot clearer. The conditioner is right here. So for the conditioner, you guys know how I wash my hair now. I'll put my hair in twists, put the conditioner on the ends while I put the shampoo in the scalp. It did a pretty good job. It wasn't anything too crazy, too different. It's feel more regular. This is one of the conditioners I would say I would use on a regular basis just for regular wash day. I wouldn't pick this up if my hair was super dry and I knew I needed a deep moisturizing conditioning day. I would probably get the Manuka Honey conditioner instead of this one, but overall it did do a good job. It doesn't add crazy moisture, but you can feel that, hey, my ends have been moisturized, so it was pretty decent to use overall. After using it twice, I can get a better feel of how it does feeling, so not bad at all. And the shampoo, definitely A+ for the shampoo. I loved it a lot because of the creamy texture, again, how much it moisturizes your hair. But conditioner, I would say B- for as far as a conditioner go for the Shea moisture I've used, so not bad at all. Now guys, we're gonna move on to the leave-in treatment. Now if you can see, the leave-in treatment is pretty down. It's down, way down here actually. I've used the leave-in a couple more times than I've used the shampoo and conditioner, obviously, so it's a lot more of it that's missing. But the leave-in, what I do like about it is daily hydration leave-in treatment. One great thing about it is it's light enough that you can spray your hair daily with it. It doesn't feel heavy. It's not building up on your scalp. Super refreshing if you want to just moisturize your hair. Like, I've used it once with these braids already. I did my edge and my scalp. I love how it feels, how light it is. So I'm gonna probably be using this until I take these out to moisturize my hair when I'm washing it or when I'm putting oil in, because it does a great job without making my scalp feel heavy or getting a lot of buildup. I like the fact that it does come in a spray. It helps a lot. And if you guys see, it is more watery texture. I'm gonna have a clip to show you guys. I actually sprayed it in my hand to show you guys what the texture is. It does look creamy, but believe you me, it's super light, super easy. If you're looking for a leave-in that you don't want any buildup, you don't want any issues with your scalp, or your scalp can't handle a lot of leave-in, I would say to grab this leave-in. The only thing about this is, because it's so light, it definitely is moisturizing, but the light texture of it, you pretty much will have to use this every day in your hair to keep it moisturized, unless you plan on putting in a heavy leave-in conditioner like the Cantu leave-in that I have. I used it recently to put these braids in, and then you'd go in and use this on every other day or so on, but you'd have to be using something else in between, another heavier leave-in. But if your hair does well without any heavy product, then I'd recommend using this, but otherwise you're going to be using it every day. Now guys, overall for it, I would definitely say not my top favorite of the Shea moisture line. The The Manuka Honey line and the Greens line are 1 and 2. I love those 2 lines. So this one is not too bad. If you want to use one of the Shea Moisture line that you use just a regular one for every week or every other day wash day routine, definitely suggest going with this. If your hair does great with lighter product, definitely suggest using this. Usually my hair does better with the heavier product, but as I said, this is great. This leave-in is great for the braids, and I like the shampoo. So my favorite out of every one of these is definitely the shampoo. We'll be using this. The other ones are pretty good, but I like the fact that they're so light, to be honest. So this line, I'm gonna use it when I want to do my lighter wash day weekdays. The price are not too high. They're on average Shea Moisture price. If you go to Walmart, they're about $9, I believe. I'm gonna find a clip because I did film it at Walmart how much they are. I believe they're about $9-10 a piece, so about $30 for these products. So what I wanted to do, guys, is I'm gonna scan these actually on my Think Dirty app while I'm at it. Let's see. This one is actually a 3, so a little bit high up there. It has 24 ingredients and not too bad. Definitely all clean ingredients. There's nothing half and half, super green, so I like that. And let's check this is the leave-in. So let's do the shampoo. Shampoo is actually not registered. How about that? My favorite one. So the leave-in treatment is actually the only one that's on the Think Dirty app. It has a 3 on there. It's all clean ingredients. So I'm gonna go match the shampoo and the conditioner to see what are the scores for those. But overall, guys, not a bad product at all. I would say I would replace this definitely with my cheaper lines like the Aussie line and Cantu, like different little lines that I would normally use, because this does a great job without causing any strip, any issues to my hair. It is on the more expensive side compared to the Aussie and the other products, but worth it to keep your hair healthy. I would say to keep your scalp healthy. And overall, it's not a bad product out there. Out of 10, I would give this a 8, to be honest, because of how much I love how light it is on my hair, and the fact that the shampoo does a great job at cleaning your scalp without stripping your natural oil. So I absolutely love that fact about it. So guys, if you tried this line, leave all your comments down below and let me know how did it do for your hair. Did you like it? Did you not like it? And does your hair do better with like lighter products or heavier products? As I said in the beginning, my hair does a lot better with heavier products, so this is what I'm basing this on. And my hair is 4C, so it tangles a lot, and my hair is quite dry for the most part. I have to very much keep up with my treatments. So I feel like if your hair is a lot lighter, you don't have to deal with as much tangles. This will do a lot better job. You'll get even better result out of it, but not a bad product overall. Shea Moisture, definitely love their product. Usually I'm never truly disappointed. Like some products I'll just not like it at all, or it keeps my hair dry, or just didn't do what it said at all. So I can say that the Shea Moisture products always pretty much deliver for me. Even though I gave this an 8 out of 10, it's just the fact that I didn't like how the conditioner didn't moisturize my hair as much as I would love it. But this is me comparing it to the Manuka Honey and the Greens line. So I do recommend you guys give this a try to see how it does for your hair on a everyday or every week basis. If you were going to use a shampoo and conditioner and leave-in, this would be the line to go ahead and use, because it does a great job at cleansing your hair, and the leave-in doesn't leave buildup on your scalp because it's so light. It actually just quench the thirst of your scalp. So I love that. So that's pretty much it, guys, for my review. I love these guys. They did do a pretty good job, and I'm gonna use them again once my hair is out. And as I said, this leave-in, that's what I'm gonna be using for my braids while they're in. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel. Click that little notification bell so you know when I have new videos that are coming out. Of course, give this video a thumbs up and leave all of your comments down below. And don't forget to go over and watch my last video.